Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the ads originate: in-app banners, browser pop-ups, system overlays, or external display OSD. Once done, open Settings and revoke suspicious app permissions, especially drawover or device admin rights. Then make sure to install a reputable ad blocker or anti-adware app from a trusted store. You'll act now to minimize interruptions and prevent apps from regaining control. This initial sweep removes many common ad sources and prepares the device for deeper cleaning. Next, remove persistent sources. Uninstall or disable any app that continues to display ads after permission changes. Once removed, clear browser cache and cookies, then enable pop-up and ad blocking in browser settings. After that, run a full anti-malware scan and remove any flagged packages. Make sure to reboot. If ads appear on external displays, check HDMI devices and the display's OSD settings for built-in promos. These steps target stubborn ad processes. To finish, update the OS and all remaining apps and enable automatic updates so vulnerabilities don't return. If ads still persist after the prior steps, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This restores a clean state. Make sure to restore only vetted apps. One key troubleshooting tip: if ads reappear network-wide, check your router DNS settings or contact your ISP. Some networks inject ads at the gateway, which device-side fixes won't stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.